Now I'm going to solve 41 and 43 for you. Now in 41 we have the factors 8z plus 4 times 5z plus 10 equals 0. Now according to the zero product property, either 8z plus 4 should be 0 or 5z plus 10 should be 0. We don't know, so we have to solve both of them. Now, we're going to write 8z plus 4 minus 4 equals 0 minus 4. So we have 8z to be minus 4. Now if we divide by 8, we will get z to be minus 1 over 2. On the other hand, 5z plus 10 minus 10 will be equal to 0 minus 10. So 5z will be equal to minus 10. Now if you divide by 5, you will get z to be minus 2. Now you see, these are our solutions for z. Now the question asks us to check our solution. Now we will go like this. Instead of z in the equation, I'm going to substitute first minus 1 over 2, then minus 2. Let's check. Now this will be 8 times minus 1 over 2 instead of z here, and plus 4 times 5 times, instead of z again I write minus 1 over 2, plus 10. Now we are going to see if this is 0 or not. Now if you do the multiplication here, 8 times minus 1 over 2, it will make minus 4 here. You will have minus 4 plus 4. Now in here it will be minus 5 over 2 plus 10. So let's see. Minus 4 plus 4 in here, it makes 0 times, now if you do the addition here, it will be 15 over 2, this part. So this will be 0. So this answer to our solution will be correct. Now let's check z equals minus 2. Now I'll go like this. 8. Now in substituting z as minus 2 plus 4, and on the other brackets it will be 5 times minus 2 plus 10 equals, we don't know, 0. Now let's calculate here. This is minus 16 plus 4 in brackets times 5 times minus 2 is minus 10 plus 10. Now we're checking if it's 0 or not. Now here, see, minus 10 plus 10 makes 0. So it will be minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12 times 0, which makes 0. So our solution is correct. Now I'm going to solve 43. Now we have b squared equals minus 3b. Now in these type of questions, never simplify. Never simplify, because in this case you lose one of the solutions if you simplify one of the b's with this one. Now instead we are going to do the following. We are going to get minus 3b to the left hand side, so it will be b squared plus, because it will change its sign when it changes its side, it will be 3b. Now on the right hand side there is nothing, so it is 0. Now b squared is b times b, and the common factors are b here, so I'm going to write in b parentheses. Now the remainings are b plus 3, which is 0. Now either b is 0 or b plus 3 is 0. So if b plus 3 is 0, then it is, let's write this, b is 0, and b plus 3 minus 3 is 0 minus 3, and b is minus 3. So either b is 0 or b is minus 3. Now we are going to check our answers. Now I'm going to substitute these values one at a time in the original equation. So it will be, now it says b squared, so first I'm going to substitute 0. So b squared will be 0 squared equals minus 3 times 0. Now 0 squared is 0 equals minus 3 times 0, 0. So we find a correct statement which says our solution is correct. Now for b equals minus 3, I'm going to substitute this as minus 3 squared will be minus 3 times minus 3. Now you see, you have 9 here instead of minus 3 squared equals minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. See, again we have a true statement, which means that our answer is correct. Okay, now is your turn. Please solve 39, 40, 42 and 44 and show me.